Hello everyone, I'm going to be reviewing Songbird. It's directed by Adam Mason, produced by Michael Bay, Marcy A. Brown, Jason Clarke, Janetta Volturno, Adam Goodman, Andrew Silverman, Eben Davidson, written by Adam Mason, and Simon Boyges, starring KJ Upper, Sophia Carson, Craig Robertson, Bradley Whitefoot, Peter Stormare, Alexander Daddario, Paul Walter Honsor, Demi Moore. Music is by Lon Blaffel, cinematography from Jack Joffrey, I'm sorry if I got that wrong. Edited by Godfrey O'Brien. Production companies from Invisible Narratives and Planetarium. That Planetarium or something. Jones and Catchlight Studios, and distributed by STX Films. Released on December 11th, 2020. Ran for 85 minutes. It was quite short. It was only like an hour and 24 minutes. It was quite short. And the budget for this movie, wow, $700,000 to $2.5 million. That's quite low. And the plot for this movie is by 2024, COVID-19 has mutated into COVID-23, and the world is its fourth pandemic year in the United States. People who are required to take temperature checks on their cell phones, and those infected with the virus are taken from their homes against their will and forced in quarantine camps, also known as Q zones, or concentration camps, where some fight back against the brutal restrictions in these camps. The affected are left to die or forcibly get better. Nico Price, a motorbike career who immunity due to the fact that he was infected with the virus, in a virtual relationship with Sarah Garcia, a young artist living with her grandmother Lita, whose lockdown prohibits them by physical contact. Nico works for Lester, who specializes in delivering packages to wealthy individuals. One of the biggest clients is the Griffins, Piper and William, whose daughter Emma has an autoimmune disorder. William is a former record exclusive, having an affair with May, a singer who makes a living online selling covers of classic songs. May develops a bond with Michael Dusner, a disabled war veterinarian who works for Lester as a drone operator to keep track of their careers. One night, Lita began to show symptoms of COVID-23, while the sanitation department, led by Emmett Hardland, is forced Sarah's neighbors Alice out of the apartment getting infected. Hardland warns Sarah that their apartment building has raised an infection. Sarah informs Nico about Lita, and Nico spends the night by Sarah's apartment store, and that morning Sarah passes her temperature check, but Lita fails hers. Nico promises to keep Sarah from being taken. He calls Lester to let him know that they are transporting illegal immunity wristbands. Lester tells him the Griffins are the ones selling them. When he goes to their house, the Griffins get Nico the phone of the supposed supplier. Nico ends up meeting with Hardland at the warehouse, revealing it is to be a trap, which Nico escapes. Cast is KJ Upper is Nico Price, Sophia Carson is Sarah, Craig Robinson is Lester, Peter Simel is Emmett, Alexander Daddario is May, Demi Moore is Piper, Paul Walter Honsor is Michael, Bradley Whitefoot is William, Leah Hugh is Emma, Jenna Ortega is Izzy, Ethan Jostley is Griffiths, and Michael Brenner White is Ellis. Do I have to say any more about this movie series? Oh my god. Okay. Now, what did I think of Songbird? Yep, it's terrible. Yep. Quite disappointing, actually. Seriously thought it was actually going to be good. No. Why? just by it. I mean, they got a good actor, KJ Apa. I mean, he starred in, well, I mean, he is a bad actor, but he's in Riverdale. He plays Archie Andrews, which he is a good enough character to be in that show. He's a good actor in that show. But like, people in this movie, like seriously, we got Craig Robinson. He's a great comedian, and he just ruined his career in this movie. Then we got the dude from Happy Gilmore. Well, he was already in terrible movies anyway. Then we got what's the view cast? I forgot. But this movie was just a boring piece of crap. Yes, I suggest you do not watch this. The only good thing I got it. I don't care. A 1 star is because of KJ Apa. Yes, I think he made this movie good, but it doesn't deserve like a 3 or a 2 or a 1.5. It just deserves a 1. And this movie is just terrible. Seriously, I suggest you do not watch Songbird because you will just waste your time. It's literally the shortest movie ever. I mean, it did have a great synopsis of 4 years of COVID-19, and then they call it COVID-23. Yeah, I do like that idea, but with what's his name? Adam Mason, who directed it, and Adam Mason, who made, he's a screenwriter, who made, hold up, what movies did Adam Mason make? The Devil's Chair, Blood River, Broken, Songbird, Hangman, Pig, Into the Dark. They come not. What kind of bloody movies are these? Basically, movies that no one knows of. Yes, this movie is just a terrible piece of crap. No one should watch this. Seriously, it was just a boring movie. Seriously, I just hated every minute except when KJ Apa was in it. He was fine. Hopefully, I mean, at least we got 2 good movies, which is Safety and The Prom. This movie was just a massive disappointment. This would probably even be my top 10 disappointment movies of 2020, because I was kind of looking forward to this movie, but it kind of made me very disappointed about what they did. It was just a really bad movie. It was just very disappointing, and I don't suggest anyone watch this movie. I gotta sneeze. I'm not. I didn't have. No. The stars for this movie I give it was a 1 out of 5 stars. Percentage, I'll give it fine 10%. Grade an F out of 10. 1 out of 10. Thank you for listening to my review for Songbird. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. It'll be a big help. Like I said in my Riverdale review, I won't be doing the DreamWorks movies, but since I'm not, I'm going to be working on Sony animation movies. So I'm going to be ranking all 20. And that's including Smurfs and the Smurfs too. Yes. Yes, because they belong to Sony Animation Pictures. So yes, hope you enjoyed my review for Songbird. Please subscribe to my channel, be a big help. Thanks for watching, take care, peace.